Hey guys, hello everyone. Welcome back to the short series of videos about SendPulse pop-up service. And today we're dealing with custom variables. This topic is a little bit tricky because this is not a standard way of using the pop-ups. It's like a more personalized way, but if you deal with that and you work on it, I promise you the results are gonna be just like way awesome, way more awesome. Let's just dig into it. What are custom variables? These are the parameters which your website may kind of give or feed to SendPulse directly. And SendPulse pop-up service will be able to pick those parameters up and use them to personalize the pop-up display conditioning experience, or even the actually entity of the pop-up, the body of the pop-up, your like text, images, etc., for each and every exact viewer. So let's just see how that works. I'll lead you step by step. So we'll get into our project. We'll get to settings. We'll get to custom variables. That's the tab we're going to work with. Now there is a button to add the custom variable. There is the whole topic, our knowledge base on this. So I'd be really happy if you guys read it. So let's add the variable. There are four ways of feeding the additional variables to the SendPulse. These are the actual transfer methods. These are cookies, local storage, API, and URL. These are for ways or places from which we can actually get those personalized information about the actual viewer that your website is going to feed to SendPulse. Let's go with cookies, I guess. So the first parameter which we're going to use would be called has bought, just an example, and we'll use it as a number because I'm going to pass 1 or 0 into has bought variable, and we're going to work with that. Let's add this, and we'll add another variable, let's say, to the local storage, which is going to be called name. And it's going to be a string because name is literally the text. Now let's go ahead and use these variables in our pop-up. Let's create a simple pop-up over here. You'll see what's the actual benefit of it. So this pop-up is going to be only shown to those people who actually purchased something from your service. So we'll say something like, you've bought something from us. Here is a special offer. And now we'll go to display condition where the actual magic happens. Now, as we've added the custom variables, can you go to visitor data and you use the user variable display condition over here. We'll choose the variable that says has bought, and our service is going to look for this variable in cookies, and it's going to be looking for the parameter saying 1. So literally has bought equals true. Let's save this and publish. We'll reload the page and nothing's going to happen because the parameter is not added, variable is not there. But let's just simply emulate that. We'll go to the code of the page, we'll go to application, cookies, and we'll add the cookie that says has bought. There it is. And we'll say 0. And again, nothing happens because the parameter is not true at the moment. And now we'll change it to 1. So the actual parameter that SendPulse is looking for. And as soon as you do that, the pop-up appears. That's the whole trick. Our service was looking for the exact string because the script has already loaded. We know all the rules which are applied to this website. So we're looking for exact string of data in your cookies according to the user variable that you just set up in order to show this pop-up. Let's dig even deeper and personalize this pop-up now. Let's go ahead and add in this. We'll add in the text, and we'll use this custom variable in the text. We'll address the person by name. Let's say hi there, and we'll add the variable name from our local storage. We'll save all this and republish. The pop-up is still here. Let's go to the code again. And now we'll emulate the fact that your website just fed this information to the local storage of this website. We'll call the key name and the variable, let's say it's Mike. We do this and we reload the page. And that's pretty much it. The whole pop-up appeared due to the fact that the variable in the cookies saying has bought equals true, and the name Mike was taken from the local storage from the parameter called name. So the setting up for demo is Pretty simple, right? The tricky part here is that not like 100% of all of the managers do have access or knowledge to actually do this on your website side. So, in order to feed this information to SendPulse, you might actually need the help of your dev team. Because passing this information to the local storage or to the cookies of your website or even into the URL, that's the job for your development team, not for actually the manager. But this demo is called for you guys to understand the whole profit of what you can do, how you can personalize the interaction with your customers. Now let's just step back to the settings of the custom variables, and I'll show you the most interesting and most, I say, secure way to pass those variables. But for this, you will definitely need a dev team. That's the API. Literally nothing difficult, more difficult than using cookies or local storage for your dev team, but this way it's a little bit more secure. We'll add the variable name, like any variable we'll add, and we'll hit get script. So now this is the script that you are gonna place on your website, and your dev team will be able to actually pass the information to the exact place in the code of the web page, and it will not be stored there. It will not be stored on your website website visitors site. It will be passed to your website according to some conditions that you guys set up on your website, only at the moment where the actual data is passed when the person enters the website. So all you gotta do is copy this script and give it to your dev team, and they will go ahead to some kind of custom variable script, to the script of your website, and paste the script into it. That's pretty much it. Hope that helps. Hope I just provide you with enough information to you guys to think of working with custom variables, because it's really exciting and it provides a lot of room for experimenting on personalizing the pop-up experience for the customers or just visitors of your website. That's pretty much it for today. Thank you for your attention. Try it and good day.